Hello everyone, this is Prashant here. Welcome to my channel. So we are in a data structure series. In this we are going to see about the strings, all the string methods from Python. So I'm going to create a new file. Right click on the file, go to Python. So this is a string underscore demo. So previously we saw about list, set and dictionary. So first of all we need to know what is string. Okay, string is a group of characters, that is a string. Okay, after that next point, it is immutable. So I will teach you what is immutable inside this code. Okay, so first of all, how to create a string. So I'm going to create a name. So I'm going to give the name, and even you can mention in a single quotation, double quotation, both are fine. Okay, this is Ram. So I'm going to tell this is Ram. Okay, this is one string. Okay, so if you want to verify the string or not, so previous class I taught you type. So using a type method we can verify either what is the data type of that variable. Okay, I'm running this. See this str. So this class contains str is a string actually. Okay, so that is the first point. Then next one, we need to basic thing, how to find the size, how many letters in this character in a string. So for that we need to use a length method, len name. So this len method will give you the length of this total character 11. Like this is 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9 and 2 spaces, totally 11 characters in this. Suppose you want to only any one character, suppose I want the first character means, so you can put like name square of 0. So it will give the what is the first letter. The first letter is T, so it gives it T. Suppose I want the S, so S is, it's ordered in the index order actually, it stores in the index order. So from 0 1 2 3, so 0 1 2 3. So if I give a 3, so this will return a S because S is in the length of 4. So this is we using for the get the character. So this method is used to find the length. Okay, next one, like how to slice, cut it. So this is a slice method, slice, cutting. So I want in this entire string I want only this. So for this, what is the syntax of this means? So I'm going to print name square bracket. I want to give a starting index. So what is the starting index? 0, because T is starting the 0th index, colon, and how many length. So length is starting from 1. Be clear, the starting is index, but this is the second one is length. See this starting one is index, comma length. So I want this 4 1 2 3 4. So I'm giving a 4, first 4 letters from the 0th index. See this, and this is coming. Suppose you want to round from this means, so you want to calculate which index. This is total 11, right? 11, like 10 0 or 9 8. So 8th index, total 11. So index always start from 0, length is, see this, you cut at the RAM. Okay, this is the slicing, cutting. So another method, so this method used to iterate. How to iterate? So as usual we need to use the for in name. So it will print all the names, like print one by letters. I am printing the I. So see here, it will print all the things. This is, so round. So letter by letter, space by space. So that is how we need to iterate. Okay. So before that iterating, so another thing is like how, like uppercase, lowercase, everyone knows, right? Smaller letter, uppercase letter. So I'm going to put name dot upper. So this will make the upper. So if I'm in a smaller print name dot lowercase. Okay, so what will this will modify into upper and lower. See this, uppercase all, lowercase all. So how cool, no? And previously I told you I'm going to teach the immutable things, right? So what is immutable means? So in this method I told you based upon index I can fetch the data. So in the same thing I'm telling name in the third place previously S came, right? So instead of S, I am modifying T. So if I run this, see this exception occurring, because immutable means once you created the string, you cannot do any update on the string. You can't change, you don't change anything in that string. Okay, but you can do this one. So you cannot do this one, but you can do name equal to this is Ravi something. That you can do, because here you are modifying the n, like changing the values. Here you are updating the current sprint. Here you are replacing the entire. That is two different things. You are updating, you cannot do because it's a immutable. You can't change once created, but you can replace with another complete data. Okay, that is you can do. How to compare two strings? Compare. Suppose I have two strings. One is str1. So I am telling Ram. str2 is Ram. Okay. So this is I am comparing. If str1 double equal to str2, that means comparing, both are equal or not. Print else print not equal. See this, not equal to, because when you comparing it should be not exactly matched, but in this R is capital R, this R is small r, so case sensitive this method. Okay, next one is like somewhere they called as a concat in if you're using Java, or some place joining. So how you join two strings? Okay, I'm getting a string 3. In the string 3 I'm going to add string 1 plus string 2. So I'm adding both the strings and storing in the variable of str3. So I'm going to print the str3. See here. So this is a concat or joining. See this, I joined the both the strings. Like this is a matching. Okay, matching or find it is there or not, like that. Print a in Ram, there in the str1. So obviously you guys know a is there. I'm going to print again, print b not in str1. Obviously b is not in, so both the values are true. True, because a is in the str1 and b is not in str1. So that is a cool thing of this one. In real project you will know escape sequence. Escape, what is that escape? Okay, str4, I'm creating a fourth string. In the string, this is Ram, quotation Ram, yes, like that I'm giving. So see, this is a syntax, this is a string. Okay, but in the string there is a double quotation is coming, but we are starting and ending where is a double quotation. So how I will handle the situation? But I want to give that quotation deliberately. Without the quotation I'm not able to validate. So for that I'm going to use a escape sequence. This I'm up to escape means you want to use this space. Right now this is taken as a string. I understood, right, how this works. So you want to use a backward slash. This we call it as a escape sequence. Okay, that's a very important one. Okay, in real time projects you will know. Okay, so next one is split. This also split. So based upon some certain conditions we want to split the persons. Okay, I'm going to there is a I think like that, this name is there. I want to split this is wrong into divide. So I'm going to use a name dot split. So based upon the condition is what? Space. I'm cutting wherever the space comes, like I'm cutting the string. So I'm going to storing in the list 1. So this split, what will run? This split will return a list, because it will cut. See this list of strings. So if I'm going to print the, you will even know it. What is I'm meaning? You will know it. See this, it is created list. So this is a split, like dividing into the strings. Like this is Ravi. So the name is whatever you are splitting now, it is splitted and it's create a list. So split return a list. So already we studied the list concept, right? So that is how it will list. Okay. So these are the basics of strings. Try to practice as much you can. so many methods names in string, so it takes time to memorize that, but at least know the meaning of the methods and how its behaviors. This is enough to be a good in string, because this is necessary, like mandatory for any data structures when you're going to solve so many big problems. Okay, so thanks for joining in. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.